In this video I'm going to show you how super quickly you can remove silence and unwanted sections in your videos so that you can grow faster on YouTube. The less time you spend on editing, unnecessary editing, the more content you can create and the more content you can publish and make available to your audience. And the faster your channel will grow. YouTube loves content and consistency. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on to-the-point tips, tricks and tutorials on this channel. Everything to help you grow your influence and income online. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. With the silence detection tool in Filmora, I have saved so much time on my editing. It's made it possible for me to double the amount of videos that I post every week onto my channel. And I've even freed up time to learn other online business related stuff, like how to open an e-commerce store on Redbubble and how to use Canva to upload designs to those products. I freed up so much time. Click the link below to my resources page so that you can install Filmora, because that's the tool we're going to use. We're going to head over directly to Filmora, drag a clip into the timeline, and then get started. Let's remove background noise and then press the silence detection beta button. A new window pops up with default settings that are really useless actually. I have tried different values here. The ones that I tend to go with is volume threshold 10, minimum duration 0.1 and softening buffer 0.1. You have to try this out for yourself so that you find the values proper for you, your tone of voice, way of speaking, or whatever audio that you have on your videos. Then press restart. The timeline that shows up is pretty narrow and cramped, so you're gonna want to drag it out so that you can see each individual cut. Then you start to listen. Stop, unmark the ones that you don't want, hide them with the eye, maybe drag the borders to lengthen or shorten a certain cut. Listen again, and once you're happy, I'm not kidding, this is how fast it is. Once you're happy, you press export to timeline and it ends up on your timeline in your project. How much time do you think you'll free up by using this tool? Put it in the comments below. This feature does cost a couple of dollars a month, but the amount of time that you save is way more valuable than just a couple of dollars. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, put into the comments, time is money, and I'll answer as many as I possibly can. Next, watch other Filmora or affiliate tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.